guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited for this video because first of all, I have a nice good old smoky eye on, which I feel like I haven't done in a really long time, and it feels so good to have a dark, intense smoky eye on. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look using the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. I am so excited. Oh my god. So look at that packaging. It's so pretty and it's like cushiony. It kind of feels like a couch. Like a satiny couch. I don't know. It feels really, really nice. And it's much thinner than the other Naked palettes. And then look at what the inside looks like. So pretty. So this is what I used today to create this look. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. The first shadow I'm picking up is Retro. I'm first going in with the Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, and I'm running this shadow through my crease, just going back and forth. I'm now picking up Endgame. I'm now going in with the E25 blending brush by Sigma, and I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. I use kind of like little sideways strokes to bring that shadow all the way into this inner corner. So whenever I do a smoky eye, I've mentioned this so many times, I always apply the shadow through the crease first and concentrate on blending and diffusing that shadow out, and then I just pop the shadow on my lid. And now I'm picking up a little bit more shadow to darken and deepen the crease. And I use a really, really light hand because if you apply too much pressure, you're not going to be able to blend that shadow out, especially because it's a dark shadow. And now I'm just doing little circular motions to continue blending, and then I go back and forth. And then I'm going to switch over to the E54 medium sweeper brush by Sigma and start packing on that shadow onto my lid. And I'm just going to keep going back and forth and packing that shadow on, and then picking up a little bit more and packing it on to make sure that it's really opaque and intense. And then going back in with that E38 diffuse crease brush and Retro, I'm applying this at the very high point of my crease. I want to bring back that really pretty peachy coral shadow. For my lower lash line, first going in with Retro in the E54 medium sweeper, I'm going to just run that along my lash line and then smoke that down pretty far down, just because I want it to peek through at the bottom of the other shadow that I apply. Now going in with the Sigma E20 short shader brush, I'm going to start darkening up this lash line and applying Endgame really close to my lash line first, and then smoking that down. And now I'm going to pick up a little bit more of Retro and first tap that over my lash line and then start blending that out to bring that shadow back. To highlight my brow bone, I'm picking up Bribe. I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this shadow. For my inner corner, I'm picking up Angel Fire. And now I'm going to highlight my inner corner using my F70 concealer brush by Sigma. The shadow honestly looks better when you apply it with your finger. Look at that. It is so beautiful. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Demolition. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to these Salon Perfect lashes in 650, and I just stack them up, and I'm going to be using this pair. And that's the eye look done. For my lips, I'm going to be going into this MAC Cosmetics Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Softly Rockin'. It's a really pretty nude, and it has a little bit of shimmer through it, so I'm excited to see how it is. And that's it. This is the completed look of my dark brown smoky eye using the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this look so much. I love how that dark brown shadow is smoking out into that peachy shadow, and then the inner corner highlight has this peachy duochrome effect to it, so it really ties in the entire look so nicely and beautifully. I'm obsessed. And this palette, I love the packaging. It feels so nice, and I like how thin it is. And then the shadows on the inside are beautiful. I'm obsessed with Angel Fire, which is the shade that's on my inner corner. It is so pretty. I honestly just want to drown myself in it because it's so beautiful. And all the shades are so pigmented and blend so well. I'm so excited to keep using this palette because I really think They did an amazing job with this. So if you guys want more tutorials using the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette, then definitely leave your comments below letting me know that you do want to see that, and I will definitely be creating more tutorials using it. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier, and I think that should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!